Bam! Late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video XRP update right now. Like every day we do XRP, so you know what you're gonna do with the sub button, right? If you wanna get more XRP updates and see what's actually happening tomorrow. Right now XRP is sitting at 3.2% up. It's sitting just below the resistance. It wants to go, you know, but it just needs that little final push up. So you're gonna see where that little final push can actually come from, and how this is gonna actually play out, or how we feel it's gonna play out. That said, before we get into charts, down below there are a few links. Telegram link, very important. Bunch of people, like 2,000 people in very nice community, very helpful. So if you want to join that community, go down to link. You know, if you want to talk about XRP, because those people are chatting away about XRP all the time. And the Patreon link, if you have no, I'm gonna talk to you about Patreon at the end of the movie. Let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with the XRP right now. Too much talking, man. Okay, let's see. So yesterday we actually had a bearish candle. This is actually a bearish candle. If you can see, this is something called bearish engulfing candle, but even those candles in a strong uptrend does not affect the price. You can see, although we had the bearish candle back below the 20 moving average, the red line is 20 moving average, this should in any kind of other circumstance indicate further move down, but it didn't. It didn't. Do you know why it didn't? Because we are in strong uptrend, we are in bull market, and all the bearish sign just get invalidated. Doesn't matter how much bears try to push the price down, it just get invalidated and continues going up. So this, if we can manage actually to force this red candle above the 20 moving average again today, maybe even above 141 line, that's this line over here. If you can manage to do that today, it's gonna be super bullish and super nice. Although we had right now 3 candles, 1, 2, 3 candles, getting down with the wick, almost hitting this 10 moving average. That's also super bullish for us, because the candle is not closing down here. This big body is not closing down here. It's just going down and getting bought right back up again. So this is looking to break out any second up towards upside across 141, and for that we're gonna look a little bit more into the technicals. But let's see, just say a quick word about what these lines means. This is the top at 183, that's what we actually trying to get. This is 197 top, this all-time high top, not all-time high, but this time all-time high top. And then you got 2.7 line, that's all-time high top previously, but it's not the actual top, because this is weak. It's just the weekly what I do now. We went to the V chain. No, we don't do V chain now. We do XRP. So the 2.7 is actually the weekly resistance line. So those are some kind of resistance that we have to break on the way up. Now let's get back to where we were and see just quickly technicals on XRP, and see if we are actually, is there any danger ahead? And there is not. XRP went all the way down to 44 on the big dip. I hope you got the dip. Right now sitting on very nice levels of 56, and this bullish cross has not yet happened. We are waiting for this bullish cross, because that will confirm the bottom. Okay, the bullish cross confirms the bottom. Although this is the bottom, the bullish cross will confirm it, and there are a lot of traders that are waiting for that bullish cross, that confirmation, so they can move up, because they know without confirmation there is no cha-ching. So a lot of traders are waiting for that, and when they get in, you're gonna see the price actually skyrocket. But you know, we that understand the value of the XRP and where this is going in the bull run and stuff like that, we don't care about confirmations sometimes. Let's look at a 4-hourly chart and see that this is actually playing superbly nice. So this can actually break any time now, anytime. I'm not kidding, anytime. Right now, while we are making this video, this can break up about 141 line. This can break. It's still got 2 hours to go. But if this candle does something that like this, something like this candle over here, it breaks on the upside and closes above it, and the next candle managed, because here we tried it several times. First of all, we went up, but then next candle went down. That means it invalidated the previous breakout. Then we went up, we tried to hold it, but it was a red candle, and then we got another red candle. So these 3 candles invalidated this green candle. And since then, we have never been across this line again. I mean, we have been here, but in this part over here. So right now, what we are looking for is we want to break the line, and we want the next candle to be green. So now if we get to close above the line, above 141 in 2 hours, if we can close up here and the next candle is green as well, that's super bullish. And I'm telling you, that's a very big possibility, because look at these moving averages on the 4-hourly chart. First of all, we went up, we tested the resistance, nope, cannot go. We went back down to the 10 moving average, and the 10 moving average pushed us up, but it was like nope, not yet. And then of course what's happening when you get invalidated on the resistance, you get pushed down because you don't have enough bullish power to break through the resistance, so you get down. And on down we found support on the 20 moving average on the 4 hourly. You can see all of these wicks down here hitting the 20 moving average, so we found support, and now the support was pushing us back above the 10 moving average. Now the 20 and the 10 is coming to the rescue, giving us support that we need. And if we don't manage to break the support on this, that we invalidate it third time. This is 1, this is 2, this can actually be considered as a third time. This then fourth time you get invalidated. That means we're going to go all the way back down here, and I don't think that's going to happen, because if we cannot get support on the, because right now we are just sitting on the 10 and 20 moving average and the resistance, right, the resistance line. So something has to happen, it has to happen. So we either break on the resistance or go down with through the support. Those are only two options. If we break the support, we break the 10 and the 20, that means the 50 is next line down here. We can also just stop here and try for another break, but the most likely scenario right now, the way I see it, is that we're gonna break on the upside and we're gonna close on the upside, and then we are gonna look for the next candle to close on the upside, and so forth and so forth. Let's just also go a little bit more into the time frame, zoom a little bit more in, and you can see here that when we're trying to break through on 1 hourly, how many times we have been zigzagging up. I could not break the resistance up here. Zigzag does not help. Went down, tried to find some kind of support down here. Let's put up the 100 moving average as well. Try to find. Now we are climbing above all the moving averages. That's the first step. So on the 1 hourly we are above all the moving averages. On the 4 hourly chart we are above all the moving averages. On the daily we are above all the moving averages. Wait, let me see. No, that's weekly. Daily. Above all moving averages. This is as bullish as it can be. XRP right now just looking for that moment when bulls are gonna be like, yes, this is it, let's go, let's subscribe to this guy's channel, let's go to the moon and stuff like that. Also come back tomorrow and check out the XRP update when I can tell you, when I can say, what did I told you, man, what did I told you, huh? Did I tell you we're gonna go up? Yeah, if you wanna see that moment tomorrow, come back. That said, also check out the links below. There is a Telegram channel, a lot of nice people talking on and on about XRP, and like I said in the start of the video, there is a Patreon link down below, only for people that have trouble picking coins. If you have trouble understanding technical analysis, don't know how to pick coins, your picking coins means going to the coin market cap site, looking what something is at 30-40% plus in green, and then picking that just to see that start going sideways. Maybe you need a little bit more help to picking coins, so join the Patreon. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again tomorrow or a later day if you want to see some other videos. We do like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos sometimes a day on this channel, altcoins mostly. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around. Bye bye.